Reincarnation is still a question for many people. People who believe reincarnation says like we are born and then reborn, and in that rebirth we are given new existence and new opportunities. The word reincarnation means elaborately re means back or again, incarnation means embodied in flesh. So reincarnation means repetitive return of spirit in human body. And in this video we are going to discuss top 3 incidents showcasing the peak of reincarnation. Hope you would like the video and subscribe to our channel for many more interesting videos. Now let's get into it. First, John McConnell. John McConnell is a retired police officer. After getting retired, he takes up a job as a security guard. He has the habit of saying a statement repeatedly to his lovable daughter, that is, I will never leave you. Though many people say these words, John said these words from his heart and he meant it because one day while returning from his usual security guard job, he stopped his vehicle in an electronic shop. Unfortunately, a group of robbers were robbing the electronic shop at that time when John parked the car. Seeing John in his uniform, the robbers thought that he is a police officer who come to arrest them. Without second thoughts or panicking, the robbers shot John 6 times and ran away from the spot. Bleeding in his lungs and heart, John was dead at that spot. After 5 years from the death of John McConnell, his daughter gave birth to a son named Williams. Now creepy things comes into action. As I said earlier, John died due to bleeding in his lungs and heart. The same happened to his grandson Williams. Williams was born with weak heart and lungs, which later treated by the doctors through surgery. While growing, Williams seems to be a very naughty child, and this always gives a headache to his mom. Once, while William got his mother angry, she came to beat Williams. At that time, she was shocked by the reply that little child gave her. William said to his mother, I have never hurted you while you were young. Then why me alone? Confused by his reply, mom decided to inquire Williams more. While inquiring, she came to know that the child had memories of her own dad. To confirm this, she asked some personal questions that only she and her father only knows, like what was the name of the cat which they had. Now Williams replied with Maniac. When she asked for the second cat name, he replied with the name Boston and also said that he will call it as Boss. After hearing this, the mother was on her knees, disbelieving the fact that his own father somehow grew up in her son's memory. She was frozen when William said, I told you right, I will never leave you, which was the same word often said by her dad. William's version of reincarnation is that he or his grandfather John went to heaven after death and asked the permission to God to return to her daughter's son. Also, he gave information that animals in heaven were speaking and none were harmed. So, Williams concluded by saying he will one day become a veteran and take good care of all the animals. Now, the second incident we are going to talk about is Hanan Mansoor. Hanan Mansoor was born in 1930. She married Farik Mansoor at age 20. After she gave birth to 2 daughters, doctors told her that her heart is very weak and told not to get pregnant after this. But keeping aside the doctor's advice, Hanan went on to get pregnant for the third time. While her body condition became very weak, 2 years before she died, she said to her husband that she would come again if she dies soon. After some years, they went for heart operation to Virginia with her husband. Before the operation, she talked over the phone to her daughters and went into the operation. But the operation didn't go as per planned. Hanan died during the operation. 10 days after the death of Hanan, on the same city, a girl child named Susan was born. Few days after Susan was born, Susan's mother had some weird dream that she never felt before. In that dream, a lady aged around 40 informed her that she will be born as her girl child. She was confused and went on to psychiatric doctor narrating her whole story. Doctor who heard this story interesting went on to research taking photos of the persons who died in past few months. When he showed these pics to her, she chose one pic which was same person who came in her dreams. Yes, it is Hanan Mansoor. Very confused with what she just unraveled, she came home. After a few years, the new baby started to show some unusual activities. She kept on saying the name Leela. Her mother did not care about this very much while she grew up. Susan started to take a phone and she constantly said the name Leela over the phone. This time, when asked who was Leela, Susan said, like, it was my daughter in previous life. Her mother was shocked by hearing this. When inquiring more about Leela's whereabouts, the kid told their address too. To know the mystery behind Susan's words, her mother made Leela's family to come to her home. When the whole of Leela's family enquired Susan, she was able to name 13 people of Mansoor family. Also, she said that before going to the operation, she gave her necklace to her brother and she wanted them to be shared by their daughters. Really shocking, right? The third incident is Kendra Carter. Of the three incidents I took for this video, this one is the one which made me more confused because last two incidents had some thin line of logic in that and it is believable, but the third incident is not. After hearing this, comment on what you feel after hearing this. This incident goes in a way that a mom wanted her daughter to learn swimming and she joins her in a swimming course. The child was so attached to the swimming female instructor that she often touched her stomach. While the instructor asked why she was doing it, she said like she was there before and she was gone when she aborted. Both the mum and instructor was shocked to hear these words. Further investigating, it was true that the instructor had already aborted many times. Curious about this incident, the mum started to read books on reincarnation, but it was very difficult for her to believe. After a few months later, the instructor took a long leave due to health issues. The child, longing to see her instructor back, started to behave very mischief in her home. The mum, who cannot control her daughter, took her to the instructor's home. After seeing her, the child remained quiet and her behavior changed afterwards. Even though we have seen the incidents of reincarnation, what exactly is reincarnation? Where did it origin? Do you know that 25% of Europeans believe in reincarnation and more than 2400 cases are being studied to understand what it is really about? Reincarnation is the religious belief that the non physical essence of a living being starts a new life in a different physical form of body after the biological death. It is also called rebirth or transmigration. It is mostly spoken among Indian religions, namely Jainism, Buddhism, Sikhism, and Hinduism. Though most Hindu groups don't believe in reincarnation, but they definitely believe in afterlife. Christians and Muslims doesn't boost reincarnation concepts very much. In Hinduism, Hindus believe that all individuals accumulate karma over the course of a lifetime. Good actions create good karma and evil actions create negative karma. Karma is not assigned or regulated by any god. It is simply earned by an individual and passed down through subsequent lives. But while good karma can eventually earn a person a higher place in the caste system in a future life, the ultimate goal of any Hindu adherent is moksha or salvation from samsara. Moksha is the final of four primary Hindu goals. The first three, kama, artha, and dharma, concerns earthly pursuits like pleasure, power, or well being and virtue. In Buddhism, like Hindus, Buddhists see enlightened samsara as a state of suffering. We suffer because we desire the transient. Only when we achieve a state of total passiveness and free ourselves from all desire can we escape samsara and achieve nirvana or salvation. Many Buddhists believe an individual can end the cycle of reincarnation by following the Eightfold Path or Middle Way. Reincarnation in ancient Western world. Although belief in reincarnation is a predominant element of many Eastern religions, it also was taught in ancient Western world. Mystery religions, which sometimes transformed into secularized social clubs or fraternities, espoused a wide range of incarnation ceremonies and beliefs. Some of these early Greco Roman religions eventually influenced the philosophy of famous thinkers like Plato. Reincarnation in science. Although reincarnation seems conventional to more than 1.25 billion practitioners of Hinduism and Buddhism, it's not widely accepted by those outside of Eastern religion. The Western skepticism of reincarnation is tied to monotheistic religions, focus on a single life, a single soul, and an active God who does not rely on karmic law. And with sporadic believers announcing they are Cleopatra or Elvis reincarnate, it's not surprising many people remain extremely skeptical of the soul's ability to return repeatedly. So, guys, I want you to comment whether you believe in reincarnation or not. Do you believe in these reincarnation stories? Also, I want you to comment whether you believe in God or not.